Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We'll be here all day.
All we had to do was walk.
I know, we didn't do anything. We didn't earn that. That's insane.
How are you? Sit down. Make yourself at home.
Make yourselves comfy.
How are y'all doing?
Have a snack. Welcome. Oh
Welcome to the very first Pickler and Ben show. I'm Kelly Pickler.
And I am Ben Aaron. We are so excited for you guys to be hanging out with us this hour. We have a lot of fun in store, a lot of great stuff.
Do.